Hi friends, today we are introducing Rapigi gas fumigation sachet. It is an advanced fumigation and smell control system which is used for the disinfection and sanitization of the different part of hospital like operation theatre, ICU, labor room, neonatal care, wards and OPD. Along with the hospital facility, it can be used for the hotel room, dining area, bar, kitchen and AC buses for sanitization and for the smell control purpose. Traditional fumigation system. Rapigi fumigation system is very much different from the traditional fumigation system. As we know, the traditional fumigation system required a fumigator or fogger machine to spray or sprit the chemical and water solution in the hospital facility. Before starting the fogger machine, we need to cover all the equipment, computer, machine with the plastic sheet to protect from the water and chemical. After that, we need to pour the water and chemical into the fogger machine and then connect the machine with the timer and the rotor. When we start the fogger, it will start releasing water and chemical vapor. Within 20 to 30 minutes, vapor is spread across the room and within 1 to 2 hours, it will settle on the surface. After that, we need to open the door and start mopping and cleaning of the uncovered surface and sanitization of the covered surfaces. Rapigi gas fumigation system. Rapigi gas fumigation system does not require fogger or fumigator machine. No need to cover equipment, computer and machine in the hospital facility. No mopping or cleaning required after fumigation. Rapigi fumigation sachet releases chlorine dioxide gas for sanitization or sterilization purpose. It is 100% gas only. There is no water spread across the area.
Now, what is chlorine dioxide and mechanism of action?
Chlorine dioxide eliminate all forms of microbial life, such as viruses, bacteria, fungi, and spores. Mechanism of action. Chlorine dioxide, ClO2, acts as an oxidizing agent and reacts with compounds within the cells and on the surface of cell membranes, causing cell metabolism to be disrupted. It has been proven effective as a virucidal, bactericidal, quick allergy relief, sterilizer, deodorizer. Chlorine dioxide main strength? The traditional sterilizer had to get inside the pathogen to kill them. That will take longer time and give them a chance to build a resistance. Chlorine dioxide, ClO2, physically attacks pathogens through oxidation of their outer layers and kills them within 30 to 60 seconds, literally burning them apart. To date, no organism has shown resistance against chlorine dioxide.
Rapigi gas fumigation process. First of all, we need to take any plastic or glass bowl, then cut the Rapigi fumigation sachet, pour the powder into the bowl, then take 20 ml of drinking water and pour into the same bowl. It will turn into dark yellow color and start releasing chlorine dioxide gas. Before starting the process, we need to close all the opening of the room. After initiating the process, we need to go out of the room and close all the door for 1 hour to 2 hours. After that, we need to come inside the room and keep the door and window or ventilation system open for 5 to 10 minutes and drain out the remaining water or use the remaining water in the mopping water bucket. Now the area is sanitized and ready to use. Thanks for watching this video.